Hello, good afternoon, everyone. So today we are going to see the overview of Microsoft Power BI. So basically, Power BI is business intelligence, and we generally work here for the businesses. So what actually all this application does? Let's see the basic overview. Here is you can see when you are going to open this application. This is the interface you are going to see. So let's see first how to install this application. Click on the Windows, just search Microsoft Store, then just search here. Wait a second, Power BI, and then you have to download the Power BI desktop. Okay, just pay attention to it. Power BI desktop. Don't download this Power BI report builder. You have to install this Power BI desktop, and just after installing, you this is the interface you are going to see. So first of all, you don't need to directly log in here. You can work on Power BI without login also. So don't be panic. Just you have to log in something, or don't worry about that. Then you can just directly click on the cross also, and this is the dashboard you are going to see. Now we will see one by one the icons. Okay, so see in the home page, this is more look like Microsoft applications. Okay, if you are used to the Excel, uh, the Word, this is same. Okay, same like them. So this is the get data. This is first the first and most important is get data. You can get the data from here. This is multiple options are there to import the data. So first of all, what is the data is in tabular format. Okay, which is given by the client. Who is the client is a business owner. Client is an already established company which want to understand, which want to visualize their data. The company have many resources to store their data. Like they are going to store data on AWS, on cloud, on Azure, on suppose they have their own database. Suppose they are storing all the data in SQL. Excel files are also there. The small businesses are, there's the business is really small and they're running small business, so they are going to they are going to save all the data in the Excel file also. So you have to understand that the data format can be anything. So there are multiple data format is available. Okay, in Power BI, just click on the get data and click on more, so you can able to see how many options are there. Let's see the first option. Wait for it. Okay, this is the Excel workbook. Mostly data we work with the Excel. Okay, then CSV, XML, JSON. You can import the folder, PDF. Most important is SQL Server database. Oracle is there. Okay, SAP. The most knowing is Amazon Redshift is also there. Amazon Redshift is for the data warehousing. Then Snowflake, one another data warehousing tool. We will see in the next videos what is data warehousing, how the data works, and like, all in all. Then Azure SQL database, AWS. There are a lot of databases available here. So just make it cancel and see other. You can directly import Excel data from here, SQL data from here, then here also and here also. Okay, you have to connect your SQL server to this, and you can import the data. Then here you can see these three what we can say three options are. The first is report view, the second is data view, and the third one is model view. So these three options are like the first these are like windows. Okay, if you are going to click here all this data is we are going to see all the visualizations here. Okay, in the report view. Then in the data view, we are going to see the whatever data, okay, whatever the tables, okay, we are imported in the application. All these tables are going to see here in the data view. And then the next option is model view. Okay, so model view, what when we are working on the data, data mostly we work on the relational data. Okay, So we have to create some kind of relationship between the data between the tables. Okay, if we are importing employees data, okay, of one company, so that employees data, we will have, like, we have three or four tables, and these all tables are interconnected with each other. So that is the relationship between all the table we are going to set here. uh, so see, we are not wasting time. We are just quickly understanding what the data is, what actually we want to do. Okay, then you can see insert here. That is pretty much for now, just for the knowing, just for the info purpose. This is the thing. In the date, in the report view, here you can see the most important part, which is visualizations. So visualizations is, these are the type of chart which we want to visualize. We want to use the data, like we click here. It is then bar chart, then is a pie chart, donut chart is there, card is there, where we can visualize the number only. So all this part, all these visualizations we can select from here. Okay, here the whatever just wait a minute. So here, whatever the visualization we have selected, we can uh, we can perform all the, how it should look like, what will be the parameters for it. So we can perform it here. And then this is for the canvas. So this is how these things are. Here you can see the field. So if we imported in data, we have to fill out all these things, then the visualization we can see. Okay, then let's see the insert one. Here these are the basic things you get in all the Microsoft applications, like cut, copy, format, printer. Okay, so I think that there's no need to explain it. This is the new page. You can add from here also and here also. So new visuals, more visuals. These are the detailed parts. We will see it later. Okay, here's the text box. So you can add the text here. So by using that, you can see whatever you want to, give the names to the your dashboard. You can give the names from here also. So yeah, this is the buttons. Okay, so do you need back button, Q&A button, all these things you can add from here. Shapes, insert image, so you can insert from here. Then modeling, new table is the most important part of this Power BI application, which is new table. Mostly we are going to work on the parameters, work on the dx queries from this new table. Then these are the views. Okay, the basic how your dashboard is going to look. Then pause, refresh visuals, optimization preset, we will see it later. Then help, here whatever you want to, if you need any kind of help, you can click here. So this is the in general overview. Wait a second. Home. Now see, when your data is going to be, when you are going to import the data is not, no, you have to perform data wrangling. So what is data wrangling? So if there is any kind of impurity in the data, okay, let's see one example from here. You have to click on this get data, or you can directly click on the Excel workbook. Let's see, is the way we have any kind of data. So suppose we click, let me click here, and now see, suppose this is the data. Okay, this is how we are going to import the data. Click on the Excel or get data also. Then this is the data. In the data there is a one table, it is employees. And now there is two option. One is transform data and one is load data. By clicking transform data, the same thing is going to happen. You will see what, and load data. For now I'm just loading the data. Now I guess data is loaded. Yeah, data is loading now. Okay, now we have data here now. See, this is the data. This is how our data looks like. Okay, you can see your data by just clicking here in the data view, and you can analyze your data, which things you want to not change, improve, or anything. Now suppose uh, I'm not, this data is not that much applicable. Okay, this data is not that much useful because it's have too much impurity. Let's see. Let's say I don't want um, this kind of date format. Okay, I only want DEC. Okay, the short form of the month name. Then suppose I don't want the R&D department. Okay, I only want the IT back office quality. Only this department I need. No, I don't want to use the data of R&D. Then these are the things. So we cannot directly do all these things from here, right? So what we have to do, we have to click on the data. We have to click on the transform data. What? The transform data. Just remember these things. This is the most important part of our Power BI. By clicking on transform data, what is going to happen? One another window is going to open, which name is Power Query Editor. Okay, you can see there is two windows are there. Okay, the first window is for the Power BI one. Okay, and the next is Power BI Query. This is the Power BI and this is Power BI Query. So what Power BI Query does? Power BI Query is like an kitchen for our data. Okay, where we can cook our data, and the Power BI is a one kind of uh, what kind of one kind of a room where we are eating the data, we are serving the plates. Okay, this is the dinner table, and Power BI query is in like kitchen. So let's cook our data. What are the what we need? Don't worry, we will see it later by in the detail how things are going to work. I'm just telling you how I'm going to use this Power BI query, the Power BI query editor. Okay, so now I don't want the R&D data. Okay, I just remove the data. Then suppose I don't need, I don't like the format of my, oh, okay, this is the format. Mm-hmm. There's city data, FC back office. So see, the data is get removed. We will see again the detailed overview of this Power BI query data. It's really important. So we have to see see the detailed video for it. For now, we are just going to work on the Power BI. So I have done my whatever I want to. I just removed the R&D data. Then now I'm going to click on the close and apply. Okay. So see, after close and apply, my data is get changed according to it. Now I have only this data, and now I'm going to uh, work on my dashboard. Okay, suppose I want the uh, suppose I want this static bar chart. Now I want to place some, see, suppose now I want on the x-axis I want just gender, the two columns will be there, only genders, and in the x-axis I want salaries. Okay, so now this the visualization, so you can see how the salary is. Again, this is not the actual visualization. Okay, we have to perform many things, there are many other things are also, but this is just how things are going to look like. Okay, so see, this is the these two what we can say column are there, and sum of salary. Okay. Cool, then we will have this pie chart. Okay, in the pie chart we are just going to put the gender, so we will have the actual ratio of gender, sorry, and then where is the full data. Suppose we want the salary. Okay, so this is the salary, the values. Okay, 3 million and 4 million. So male is getting this much thing and female is getting this much thing. This is how the visualization works. Okay, now let me work with this is the overview. Here you from here you can publish the your dashboard. Okay, so after publishing you will see, you will have uh, many options, like you can uh, generalize the thing, or who can see the dashboard, You can add security, you can add many things, and then you can publish the dashboard. For that, you're going to need the sign in, okay, sign in account of a particular company. So what is company means, you need uh, the company email, okay. How can I explain it? Suppose you have one email which is Akshay Gaikwad 47 at the rate gmail.com. This is my personal email, okay. When you are working in a particular organization is going to give you a particular email, and that email is directly attached to their main domain. So you will have like Akshay Gaikwad at the rate gtech uh, uh, G, Akshay Gaikwad at the rate gtech .com, like this, all these things. Okay, so this is what we need for the sign. I hope this video will be help you, and I'm trying to cover all these things. Next video will be in Hindi, and we'll make it more clear. So, and more things about the Power BI. This is just an intro video. So I hope I have covered everything, not in detail, but this is the basic overview of the Power BI. Okay. Thank you so much for seeing this video. If you are seeing this video till the end, and from next videos will be in Hindi. We are going to cover all this series in detail, so be prepared, and thank you. So this is the first video of this channel, okay. We are going to talk a lot of about the data science, ML, AI, all these things. So if you are interested in this field, you can follow this channel. We will surely we will make something good. And thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.